Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A10 and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should go to the accounts and backup. And here select the first tab, which is accounts. And now simply by tapping on the current one, so in my case it's HardReset.Info 1, click on remove account below to get rid of this account. Confirm that you would like to delete all of its messages, contacts and other data connected with this account by tapping on remove account. And that's it. As you can see now it's empty, so there is no Google account connected with this Samsung. Then if you would like to add another one, simply click on accounts one more time, pick plus icon to add account, select the Google, assets for Google account, and now give your device a short while. Just make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, because otherwise you will not be able to log in with your Google account. And now enter email address that you have and click on next. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only it is done, click on next. And here you can come along with all Google terms of service, Google Play terms of service, and also privacy policy. And if you agree with all the conditions, click on I agree. And here you've got some more functions from Google, like backup to Google Drive. Click on accept to confirm it. And that's it. As you can see, you've got this Google account assigned to your Samsung Galaxy A10, and that will be all. This is how you can add and remove Google account on your device in Samsung Galaxy A10. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.